worship never fade, but shine in quiet grace. Not in grandeur, not in might, but in surrender lies the light. My offering small yet true and whole, an open heart, a yielded soul.
You've never needed songs rehearsed, just truth that rises from the earth. So take my life, both joy and pain. Let every breath exalt your name. Pure devotion, holy flame, burn within me in your name. Every whisper, every sigh becomes a prayer that reaches high. Pure devotion, yours I'll stay forever and a day. Not in temples made by hands, but in hearts where grace expands. Not in noise or crowds aloud, but in the humble quiet bow. Not in words rehearsed or grand, but in the truth that you command. You seek the heart sincere and near, where love replaces fear. In spirit and truth, I'll worship you with all I am, all that I do. You're not far, you dwell in me, eternal love, my melody.
You don't desire songs alone, but hearts made pure that call your throne. You meet me where the stillness stays, and turn my silence into praise.
Teach me, Lord, to worship right, to walk by faith, not by sight. Let my life be living proof of worship born in spirit and truth.
returning home. My heart keeps running to your shore. Through every storm and every calm, I find my peace in you once more.
Every step's a whispered prayer. Every breath says you are there. When I drift, your love pursues, drawing me back to truth.
Draw me closer still, till my heart beats in your will. Every moment, every breath, let it be your righteousness. When distance tries to steal my song, you pull me back where I belong. No greater joy, no higher thrill than being near, so near still. I'm not running anymore. I found what I was searching for. Your mercy meets me where I've been and pulls me close again. Draw me closer still, till my heart beats in your will. Every moment, every breath, let it be your righteousness. Draw me closer still, oh Lord, forever yours I'll rest. In quiet rooms and whispered prayers, heaven bends to meet us there. Not in thrones or golden halls, but in hearts that hear your call.
Not through might or human fame, but through mercy's gentle flame. In humble souls your kingdom grows, where grace like river flows. Where heaven touches earth, that's where I'll be found, lifting up your name with reverence and sound.
You choose the weak, the small, the poor, to show the power of your door. You dwell where love has made its home, where hearts are yours alone.
This is the mystery of grace. You choose to dwell in this humble place. Heaven's nearness, soft and true, revealed in all you do. Where heaven touches earth, that's where I'll be found. Every breath, every song is holy ground. Where heaven touches earth, forever I'll be
I used to think I needed more to make you love me like before.
But now I see what I was made for, just to glorify your name.
Not for stages, not for fame, not for songs that shout your name, but for quiet hearts and steady hands to follow where your mercy stands. Holy simplicity, this is all I need. A quiet heart, a humble song to love you endlessly.
In stillness, faith begins to grow, like seeds that bloom in grace below.
Your presence turns the small to gold.
A wonder never old.
Let my worship be enough when words fall short. Let there be love. No more striving, no disguise. Just your truth before my